Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorials how to make a simple room. Okay, for the first I will use these tools to create measure on construction line like this, and I will set from this point into here about 4000. Again from this point into here 4000. Now we can use a rectangle tools to set from this corner point into here, and then I will offset this face about 150. Now you can use full tools to convert into 3D. We set for height to 1500. So we have this simple object. The next I will create rectangle to make hole at this point. Okay, and we cut again in this point. So this is for window, and in here for door. You can use full tools to cut this face, and also in here. So to insert furniture, you can go to SketchUp warehouse to download all furniture in there. So but first I will make group in it. So in here I will click files, import, and I already download this sample furniture. You can click import. Now we're waiting to open into SketchUp. You can insert this furniture, like I will click in this point. Now you can use rotate tools. We rotate in blue axis into here. Then we use some move tools again to move this object. Then move to the top, and then you can move to the left. That's it, very easy to placing furniture. And you can import again. You can click files, import, and I will use this furniture. Now you can attach or rotate this object by using rotate tools. Rotate to point. Next, use move tools to move the object to the left and move to the right. The last, you also can insert for door and window. Here I will insert only for door. You can click file, import, and open again door file. Waiting to open into the SketchUp. So if you want to get furniture, you can go to warehousesketchup.com and you can download a lot of furniture in there. Okay, I will attach in it, and we use rotate tools again to rotate this door in blue axis. Okay, now we can use move tools. I will click from this corner point. Okay, and then you can move into walls in here. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorials how to make a simple room with this furniture. You can download from SketchUp warehouse. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.